friends, in today's class, it is chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. Dear students, just before few days we celebrate our Deepavali, and during that Deepavali celebration we purchase many things from market. Crackers, sweets, new cloth, etc. So one thing is there, did you mark that things? What is that? Many of things you got, you received from market, you got from market in packet with packet and in the shape of box. Means many of things you purchase from market with packet in box. So see, in our daily life there are many things when we purchase in market we get in a box like this. This is for example, this is one box. See, even your small things, this is sharpener. This is also inside of, this is also with packing of box. See, now see, there are many, this is for your Perk chocolate, the box of the Perk chocolate. Like that, there are many things we purchase in our packing of the box. So box, all of you are familiar with box. And in previous chapter we learn about a box. Some boxes are of the cuboid shape, and some boxes are cuboid shape, and some are about cube shape. Okay, the cube and cuboid. Like this. So now first of all we learn about here cuboid shape now. See, one picture is given here on page number 126. See, this is your sweet box. This is your sweet box. Now when you will fold this box, it is looking like this only, and when you will open this box and it will be look different. See, when you will see the folded box, it will look like this, but when you will open this, it will look like this different here. So see how it will look like after open is the picture is given here. So see, this is one example of this box when you will it open. Now see, it is like this here. ये आपको इस तरह बनाया हुआ बेटा. See, this is dotted line here. Now this is dotted line. This is one more dotted line here. And again, see here, one more dotted line here. And then this is also dotted line. And this is also dotted line. Now like this, here are 6 faces are here. यहाँ पर आपके 6 faces है. And this design is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Now what we have to do? It is already given here. This shape makes a box. Means whenever you will fold this shape, so it will be changed into box. तो बच्चों आप इस शेप को जब आप इसको कन्वर्ट चेंज करेंगे, फोल्ड करेंगे, from where we have to fold? Only from this dotted line. Whenever you will fold, it will be changed into box. Now see, we will check. See, this is one design here. It is a one design with the same design. It is matching with the same design. See, this is one face like this 1, this 2, this 3, and this 4, and then these 2 face, and these are dotted line. Now what we have to do? Now we have to check whether it will be changed into box or not. Means whether this design will change into box, it will be fold into box or not. After folding from the dotted line, we can come to know. It is already given here. This shape make the box. आपको ये पहले बताया है कि this shape make the box, but still we will check again here for our confirmation. See, this is dotted line. From this dotted line, we have to cut fold here. See, this is 1, 2 fold, then 3 like this. Now see, and this is one more fold and one more dotted line. तो like this, see it is folded into box. तो देखिए इस तरह ये आपका फोल्ड हो, बॉक्स में फोल्ड हुआ बेटा. Like this it is folded into box. Okay, like this it is folded into box. देखिएगा, like this it is folded into box. Okay, now see, it is complete box. It is shape of the cuboid. It is cuboid shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are there. And when you fold it, 6 faces are covered here. No face is open there. वो कोई भी फेस ओपन नहीं बचा है. And no faces are repeat there. कोई फेस दोबारा मतलब फोल्ड नहीं हुआ है. Repeat फोल्ड नहीं हुआ. Means all 6 faces are there. And all faces when you fold from dotted line, it's changed in the box shape of cuboid. Okay. Now one more question is given beta on page number 126. तो आपके इस पेज नंबर पर 126 पर एक क्वेश्चन दिया है. देखिए क्वेश्चन, each is to be folded along dotted line. Each is to be folded along dotted lines. Okay. Now you have to find out which of these can make into a box. Which of these can make into a box? Means which of these can be changed into box? अब देखिए, what is this question बेटा? The question is given in page number 126. See, each is to be folded along dotted line. See, here are 4 different shapes. 1, A, B, C, D. These are 4 different shapes are there, and among these 4 different shapes, we have to check which of these following will be changed into boxes, which will be made box when you will fold it. जब हम इसको fold करेंगे तो इनमें से कौन सा box dot shape ऐसा है कि जो box बनेगा. What is rule here? The rule is very simple here. We have to fold from dotted line. See, if the question is given, you have to find out which of these can be made box, but each is to be folded along dotted line. We have to fold from dotted line, and from that dotted line, after folding from that dotted line, we have to check whether it is converting, whether it is changing into box or folding into box or not. So see, first of all, I will make here one first shape, A shape. See, shape number A. This is shape A now. It is like this. It is like this. Okay. Now see. Yes. This is dotted line. Okay. Now see, dear student, please observe this shape here. It is shape number A. This is shape with how many faces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. And now see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dotted lines are there. Now what we have to do? We have to fold from the dotted line, and then we have to check whether this shape change into fold into box or not. So see, this is one sample here. It is like this only. इस डिजाइन की तरह है बेटा. देखिए, this one is this one, this shape, this face, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 face like this, and these are dotted line. Now what we have to do? We have to check by folding whether it's changed into box or not. So see, we will try to fold it here. Yes, like this. See here. Then from here one more fold is here, and then again see fold, and then here again. So see, it is changing into box. So it is also one type of the box, one type of cuboid box here. It is changing into box here now. Means you can say that this design after folding make a box. हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि जो डिजाइन है बेटा, ये डिजाइन आपको क्या बनाती है? After changing into box, after folding, it makes a box. ये क्या बनाती है? आपका box बनाती है. So we can put here, right mark here, that this design, this cutting make a box when you fold it along this dotted line. जब हम dotted line से यहाँ पर ये करते फोल्ड करते तो ये आपका क्यूब में क्यूबाइड शेप में बेटा बॉक्स में चेंज हो रहा, मीन्स इट मेक द बॉक्स आफ्टर फोल्डिंग. नाउ कम टू नंबर बी शेप. देखिए, नंबर बी शेप इज गिवन हियर लाइक दिस. Yes. See, this is shape B. This is your shape B. Now say what is this shape beta? This is shape B and it is model of this shape, the sample for this shape, now cutting of this shape B. See, it is matching with your shape number B, no? It is same as it is shape number B. See, it is dotted line. These are dotted line here. Now we have to try to fold from the dotted line. See, and then we will check whether it is changing into box or not. See, one fold. Then see, one more dotted line is here बेटा, और यहाँ पर एक dotted line है. We will try from here also to fold from here. हमने यहाँ से भी fold किया, and then see, it is like this. Then see, it is like this. And one more dotted line is here, और एक dotted line है यहाँ पर, और एक dotted line है. And see, it is folding like this. But after folding, it is converting into box, not box, but it is changing into this type of the shape. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि it is not changing into box. अब whenever you will fold it from this along the dotted line, so it is not changing into box. It is not making box. So we can put here cross mark means wrong mark. It does it show that it is not changing into your box shape. Now come to number shape C. Come to number shape C. See what is shape C? It's very simple. Shape number C, see, it is like this. Yes, okay. See what is this now? Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now these are dotted lines. These are dotted lines here. ये आपकी dotted lines है बेटा. Now this see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are there. And this is one dotted line, two dotted line, 3, 4, 5 dotted lines are there. Now we have to check whether after folding from the dotted line whether it will change into box or not. तो हम देखते हैं इसमें हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, whether it will be right or wrong. ये आंसर हमारा right होगा कि wrong होगा. It means if it is changing into box or not, then now we have to decide. After folding, we have to confirm, we have to check, and then we have to decide whether it is changing into box or not. So see, it is like this. Number shape C. Shape number C, it is like this, and this is a dotted line. See, try to fold from here. It is one dotted line. Then and one more dotted line. It is dotted line like this. Okay, and see, these are dotted line. Now try to hold here from the dotted line, and now see. Okay, now see, this is changing into box. तो देखिए बच्चों, ये आपका बॉक्स में चेंज हो रहा है. It is changing into box. Okay. It is changing into box, so we can say, we can put here right mark, it is changing into box. Now number D. Number D. See, this is your number D shape. ये आपका number D shape है. I will make a drawing of this number D shape here only. See, it is like this. This is dotted line, one dotted line, two dotted line, three dotted line, and see, it is here. It is one more dotted line. और यहाँ पर एक dotted line है. यहाँ पर और एक dotted line है. See, now it is very simple picture, simple design. Now from this design, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 dotted line are there. Now what is your guess? Whether it is changing into box or not, complete box or not? क्या ये आपका जो when you will fold it from the dotted line, so after folding from the dotted line, whether it will be changed, it will make the complete box or not? What is your guess? It's very clear answer. See, in these three A, B, C, in this three shape ABC, and in your cuboid shape, cube shape, whenever you will make the cube or cuboid, see there are total number of the faces are 6. And so to make the cube or cuboid and to make the complete box like the cube and cuboid, minimum 6 faces are required there. But in this design, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces are there. So whenever it will be fold, it will not be complete box because of one face is less here. So see, this is your design now. Now try to fold here. See, this is one fold, like this 2, then 3, 4 and 5. So it is changing like this. It is changing like this. But see, one face is here open. One face is open face here means it is changing into box with one face open, not complete 6 faces. तो बेटा इससे जो आपका फेस बन रहा है, जो शेप बन रहा है, it is making the box. Okay, but it is not box with 6 faces. So what we can say? We can see here no means wrong here because it is not complete box. It is not making the box with 6 faces. तो ये आपका 6 faces नहीं है. One face is open here. तो see, this is not making the box. So what is your answer here now? When question is there, now you have to find out which of these can make into box. So we can say which of these can make into box. और आंसर लिखेंगे सेम A, then C. A and C make a box. Make a box. Shape A and C makes a box, and shape B and D did not make the box, does not make the box when you will fold it from this dotted line. Okay, so this is about boxes and sketches. In this today's class, we will discuss on this much only, and remaining part, next part we will see in our next class. Thank you.